Went out today and picked up a Dlink, the PowerLine AV Network Starter Kit. It's model number DHP 307AV. Down here in my family room, in the television room, there were 2 or 3 devices that I wanted to hook up to the network that were just not compatible with wireless. And I didn't want to run another network cable throughout the house. So I saw these things. They say, well, I can get up to 200 megabits per second. So what we have, this one here comes with the 2 units. One of the units goes up by your router or your switch, and that would be the main unit. The second one actually will go to the game console or down to the television, or wherever you want to extend your network to. It sends the networking signals through the power lines. I'm going to take one, I'll plug it up into my router. The second one I'm going to plug down here in the television room, and I'm going to put a switch on it because I have about 3 devices that I want to plug in. So next is to open it up. Okay, so what I have here comes with a disc. Start here. Having difficulty installing the product. Some quick steps. Another quick installation guide, and then the 2 units. So again, it's just a module that plugs in the wall. Your drop cable plugs into the side here. They're both identical, so I'll take one and I'll plug it in here. And I'll plug another one upstairs by my router. They actually include the drop cables as well, which is nice. So next I will, your network setup here. Computer plugs into the unit. The unit plugs into the wall. On the other end, the unit plugs in the wireless router. One of the features I'm reading about, it features a security push button that enables secure transmission between the devices. The signal could go outside of your house, which is possible, I guess. Usually with these type of devices, they'll only go out as far as a transformer, and then they won't pass through the transformer. But I guess if you're in an apartment, something like that, you could possibly, your signal could be transferred over to your neighbors, so that would hook them into your network, or you could get some mixed signals. So I guess the button on the side would allow for the security. So next, to plug them in. Okay, I'm over by the television, so this is where I want to plug the first one in. Okay, it looks good. It comes up with a green light. On to the next spot. Second one. Now, these units can't be plugged into power bars, or they shouldn't be plugged into power bars. Just go straight into the wall. Okay, they suggest not to plug it into a power bar, but this is the only spot I really have available, and it's just a cheap power bar, so there shouldn't be any filtering or anything crazy in it to stop the signal. So next I'll be plugging it up into the router. Just plugged it in number 1. I do have a connection light there. Yeah. There we go. We have a green light for everything there, so I'm going to go back downstairs and see what I can find. Back down to this unit. The lights are off currently. Okay, on this end I've got all the lights lit up now. Seems like we have a home network. Next is going to be to test the connectivity. I just wonder if it's the broadband setup. Here we go, network setup. Let it reset the DHCP connection. Here we go. Take a look at that. Zoom in. See, it picked up an IP address. It's online. I guess these units will work fine.